Hi Sagittarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. And this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a general reading, not a gender specific or a time specific reading. So, whenever you do receive these messages, that is when you're supposed to be going through them. Also, guys, energies are fluid. So, if you feel that there's some message that is not yours but your partner's, just take it however it resonates with you guys, okay? Let's get started, Sagittarius. I'm going to be drawing out one major card and then a lot of clarifiers and additional messages through oracle cards. Six of Cups. That is your major energy, Sagittarius. Six of Cups means nostalgia, means somebody from your past wants to come back in. They're giving you signs through dreams, through um, 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 synchronicities. Sometimes you see their name, a person who was a part of your life, an ex boyfriend, friend, or anyone who you knew who was important to you. They are giving you signs. They want to come back because they're missing you and somehow wishing that you miss them as well. And that is why suddenly you're seeing their numbers meaning their birth dates or their names, their initials, or something that reminds you of them. And it's a constant sign that keeps finding its way to you. I also feel that it could be an ex flame, ex relationship that is coming back into your life. So, this is your major energy, Sagittarius. Now, let's draw out some clarifiers for you. Number 6 is important. This person who is thinking about you, and if you know who I'm talking about, then this person is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, okay? I see a stubbornness. I feel that you're being a little rigid, you or someone else. Yeah. Nine of Wands, apprehension, inhibitions, fear of giving in. You want to guard yourself. You want to feel as if um, you are secure. You want to protect yourself because you've been hurt in the past. You don't want history repeating itself. And Sagittarius, this is what you're feeling right now because you're like, why should I give in? Why should I talk to this person when they didn't talk to me or when they broke my heart? And those kind of energies. A little immature, but trust me, it's okay. Sometimes when you're hurt, you become like a little kid who's been injured or who's been hurt. You may hear my dogs barking. I'm so sorry. It's their food time, so they get a little excited about everything. Okay, Sagittarius. You've got the Page of Wands. Sagittarius, what I see here is that you want to be on your own. You're working on yourself, honing your skills, trying to be this perfect person. I see that you could be conveying your feelings to someone. Someone is conveying their feelings to you. There could be an age gap. Either you were older or they're older, but there is something like that. And trust me, if you've been feeling as if the world has come to a standstill and you can't see any, what do you call it? Any hope, or you're not being able to see the sunlight. It's just a matter of time. It's going to happen very soon. Something happy is coming your way. A good news is coming your way, Sagittarius. Okay, then. Yep, that's my dog. You've got the number six again, and lovers. Definitely somebody from your past is coming back. Someone who you had romantic feeling towards, or they had these feelings towards you, but they are definitely finding their way back to you. They want to, express how they're feeling. They're missing you, and they've not been able to move on. The next card is the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody's mother figure is very important, either yours or this person's. I think family was the issue that broke this relationship, but trust me, it's all going to work out. If you really want this person and if you guys are planning on reconnecting, it's going to work out. For those who are single and working on money, you're going to be really prosperous very soon. Don't worry. 6 and 6, 12. December is the beginning of this prosperity. Okay, you've got the Magician card, which is amazing because you're getting exactly what you want. Okay, you've put your foot down and you're manifesting everything that your heart wants, and you'll be successful, Sagittarius. Trust me. Let's see some extra messages. These are additional messages to your tarot. My Rottweiler is really angry at somebody. Remain positive. Too many cards. I just want one. Choose a new direction. You could be dealing with a Pisces person also, since they got similar cards. Choosing a new direction means if you feel that something is not working out, look somewhere else. Look at the other direction. Look at other prospects. Look at other business ventures. You're not for everyone. Of course, you're not, Sagittarius. You're special, and not everyone should have access to your energies. I learned that the hard way, but it's my duty to tell you that you are special. And people, people always want a piece of something that is amazing, and you are amazing, and they will want to be with you. They will want to date you, but they don't know how to keep you, Sagittarius. There are people who will say they love you, but they don't know how to show it. And we don't want such energies around us, do we now? Oh, wow. You've been training for this for lifetimes. So the success that is coming into your life, the success that you're manifesting with the Magician over here, with the Queen of Pentacles, with the Lover's card, it is something that you've trained for all through these lifetimes. And now is the time when you are ready to reap the fruit of your labor. I'm so happy. Your hard work is paying off, guys. Let's see the Moonology messages. Wonderful one-liner, self-explanatory messages. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Don't let pride get in your way. Okay. A fiery climax approaches. Wow. Your dreams need a practical plan, and look at the bigger picture. Yes. So the signs that are present here are Capricorn, Leo, Aries, Taurus, and Sagittarius. These are your energies. And this is your reading. So let's see an affirmation, Sagittarius. I am in awe of the magnificent guidance that's available to me. Yes, through books, through the universe, through messages, through helpful people. The guidance that you're getting is something that is pushing you towards your life path. Sagittarius, this was all for you. Thank you so much for stopping by and giving me a chance to serve you. If you like this reading, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.